How are Social Security disability benefits calculated? Josh Worley here, disability attorney of over 20 years representing clients throughout the United States. That's a common question that we get asked, and so I wanted to go over that with you today. The answer to that question is your disability benefit, or retirement benefit for that matter, is based on how many years you worked where you were paying into Social Security, and while you were working, how much was your income. The longer you've worked and the higher your income has been, then the higher your disability benefit or retirement benefit would be. The average Social Security disability benefit in 2025 is $1,580, and the very max that it can be is $4,018. So there's a wide variance on how much benefits will be based on how long you worked and how much you made when you were working. One of the ways that you know when you look at your pay stub, you can look at the FICA tax, and that amount that's listed under FICA is what is being paid into Social Security on your behalf. And as you're doing that through the years, you're paying in with the idea that those benefits will be available to you for disability purposes. Those would be available if you become disabled and you're not able to work, or for retirement purposes, when you reach retirement age, you'll be entitled to those benefits. We have a really cool tool on our website that allows you to get an estimate of what your benefits would be. All you have to do is there's a slider on there where you put in the year you were born, and then you put in your average earnings over the past 10 years, and that will give you an idea as to how much your disability benefit would be. And I would encourage you to do that. It's a cool tool to give you a rough idea. Our website where you can find that is idlawcenter.com, so check that out. The other way that you can tell or find out for sure how much your benefit would be, your disability benefit or retirement benefit would be, is to look up your statement on the Social Security website. That is, Social Security used to send out the green trifold report where you could look up your information just by getting it in the mail when they send it to you. They don't do that anymore, so you have to create an account on the Social Security website. That is ssa.gov for government, and it's your statement. I think they call it My Social Security Statement, and you will have to create an account and go through the process of doing that. But once you create that account, you will be able to look up your information and specifically find out how much your benefit would be if you were to get approved. Another thing to keep in mind is as you go through the disability process, sometimes that takes time, and maybe that takes a year or longer to get approved. At the end, when you get approved, you are entitled to retroactive benefits for those back months that you had to wait. Okay, so that is a lump sum of benefit that you get in the end. That's really nice because obviously you've not been working. If you're going through the disability system, you're not working, and it is nice to get that lump sum. If you have questions or would like to visit with us about the possibility of us representing you on a disability claim, feel free to reach out to my office. You can complete the form online on our website. Again, that's idlawcenter.com, or you can call our office at 575-300-4000. We would be glad to schedule a free consultation with you and visit with you. So give us a call.